Investing for beginners that just starting into the world of investing, resources and tips. Investing your money wisely can increase your net worth and help you live out your dream retirement lifestyle or pay college tuition for your children. What kind of investing is right for me? Timing is everything. Investing early gives you an advantage. How much money do I need to start investing? While contributing to an employer-sponsored 401k plan is a great way to start investing, other options exist if you're a beginner or tight on cash. 401ks and retirement plans. Funding a 401k plan is highly recommended by nearly all financial advisors because paying for retirement is expensive. In 2022, the maximum you can contribute to a 401k plan tax-deferred is $20,500. If you don't have a 401k plan, you can invest in an individual retirement account, such as a traditional or Roth IRA. The decision between a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA often comes down to whether you think you're better off paying taxes now or later. Mutual, index and exchange-traded funds. You can purchase a mutual fund share through a broker or a mutual fund company. Bonds and CDs. Stocks. Some taxes are due only when you sell investments, stocks, for example, at a profit. For tax purposes, dividends fall into two groups, qualified and non-qualified. Annuities. However, these financial products often require a significant premium, which means that although annuities can be bulletproof retirement investments, they may not be ideal for beginning investors. Investment help. There's a lot to learn when you begin investing, and no one starts out an expert. If you've inherited or won a large sum of money, professional investment advice is critical, especially if you're new to investing. Robo-advisors build their portfolios largely out of low-cost ETFs and index funds, which are baskets of investments that often reflect the behavior of the S&P 500 or another index. That's why some experts suggest spending your spare change elsewhere.